Hi, I'm Taylor.
And I'm Mike.
We are here to talk to you about one of the most important things you need to know as a gas fitter or contractor.
How to manage your permits.
You might be wondering, why do we even need permits? Permits are an important part of the safety system. They allow BC Safety Authority to track installations made across the province. Permits also help us to efficiently allocate our resources to inspection and enforcement needs. BCSA wants to dedicate resources to the installations and equipment of highest risk. So we use permits and the resource allocation score to assess the risk. The score is based on the level of experience of the individual taking out the permit, past performance, and the level of risk associated with the installation. And lastly, permits help us level the playing field by ensuring everyone in the industry is accountable to the same safety rules and regulations.
It's important to also note that although BCSA is the regulator for the gas technology in the majority of British Columbia, the areas BCSA does not regulate include City of North Vancouver, District of North Vancouver, Vancouver, Burnaby, Maple Ridge, Richmond, and Kelowna.
BC Safety Authority offers 4 types of gas permits. They are installation permits, operating permits, product approval permits, and commissioning approval permits.
An installation permit is the most common form of permit taken out by gas contractors. It is required to ensure that the gas work is being performed by a qualified person. All gas work must comply with standards as well as code and regulatory requirements. A gas installation permit documents what gas work the contractor will perform and ties that work to the premises where the work is being done.
You must obtain a gas installation permit prior to doing any gas work because a permit is permission to do regulated work. Regulated work is installation or alteration to any gas appliance or piping.
Hi, I'm Steve. I need an installation permit.
Hi, Steve. I'm Julie. Permits are super. I'll get you one right away. Here you go, Steve. Have a super safe day.
An operating permit must be in place to operate certain types of equipment and do certain types of regulated work. This includes propane dispensers, refueling stations, and bulk plants. Industrial plants with over 5 million BTU total connected load, and maintenance departments of school districts and municipalities. For other instances where operating permits are required, see our website at www.safetyauthority.ca. The last thing you need to know is that there are special requirements for gas operating permit holders. They must employ qualified individuals to maintain their equipment, post a bond for their operating permit, and keep records of all work for 7 years.
Does your customer want to install a product that does not bear a certification mark recognized by BC Safety Authority? Then you need a product approval permit. However, a product approval can only be obtained once that product has gone through our design registration process. Let me explain. First, your client may want you to install a product. You'll need to check the product to see if there's a certification label recognized by BCSA. Check with our website or your local gas safety officer if you are unsure. If it doesn't have a recognized certification, you'll need to obtain design registration approval from BCSA. Finally, once you have design registration approval, you can obtain a product approval permit. If you are installing a new piece of equipment which falls into one of these categories, an installation permit will also be required. A commissioning approval permit must be in place before certain pieces of equipment that already bear a recognized certification mark are commissioned. These include direct-fired equipment, commercial and industrial conversion burners, forced draft appliances over 409,600 BTU, and replacement of fuel and/or burner management controls.
For installation permits, you must call for inspection 2 times. Make sure to fill out and submit a declaration form when you request your final inspection. Declaration forms can be found on the BCSA website and submitted online through the contact center or at one of our local BCSA offices. If there is a product or commissioning approval permit in place,
they may attend site to watch you commission the appliance, or they may allow you to commission it by yourself. If they do attend site, they are looking to make sure that you have the skill, knowledge, and ability to commission the appliance. Also, don't forget to fill out your commissioning approval form.
Okay, let's review.
1. Installation permits are required prior to doing any regulated gas work.
2. Operating permits authorize the operation and maintenance of gas equipment.
3. You must be a licensed gas contractor to obtain a permit.
4. You must contact BCSA 2 times during the installation process, at the rough-in and the final stages of work.
If you know of a company or individuals who are operating without a permit, or of any other non-compliances or hazards, give us a call at 1-866-566-7233 and let us know the details of your report. For any other information on reporting non-compliances or hazards, please see the BCSA website.
Also, for more information on permits and forms, check out our video library on the BCSA Online Learning Center.